Rahim. Today is the second lecture of hydrogen bonding, in which we are studying about the application of hydrogen bonding. First application, that is the thermodynamic property of covalent hydride. Here is a graph which is plot about in between the boiling point and the period numbers. Here are the hydrides of the four period for 4, 5, 6 and 7. You can see that the boiling point of this group, the hydride of this group, that is very low, because they having the very small amount, small electronegativity as compared to these elements. Okay, and now we will move towards the another reason of why the hydride of this fourth group having the very low boiling point as compared to these elements, because due to the small molecules and its low least polarizability. Next we will move towards the fourth, 5, 6 and 7 groups. They having, these are the element which contain the high boiling point, because these three compounds, they having the very they having the elements which contain the very high electronegativity as nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Next is you know that the water is liquid at room temperature as compared to these two um, uh, elements which belongs to the same which belong to the oxygen uh, group elements. These are the gases, while the water uh, uh, that is in liquid physical condition. Next we will move towards the next paragraph, in which they describe about the reason why the hydrogen fluoride having the low boiling point as compared to water. Rather, the fluorine having the greater electronegativity as compared to the oxygen. What is the reason behind that? The reason is that in water molecule there are the two hydrogen bonding, two hydrogens are present. They will generate the two hydrogen bonding with the another water molecules, while the hydrogen fluoride, it only generated the one hydrogen bonding. And another reason is that the oxygen, it contain the two lone pair. Next we will move towards the ammonia can form only one hydrogen bond. Ammonia created the only one hydrogen bond. And another important thing is that in this paragraph, that hydrogen bromide, that slightly higher boiling point as compared to the HCl. The reason behind this the greater hydrogen the greater boiling point of hydrogen bromide as compared to the hydrogen chloride, because the chlorine atom, it has the ability to generate the hydrogen bonding in hydrogen bonding with this hydrogen. Okay, the next here they are describing about the elements, the hydrides of the fourth period. They having the greater boiling point as compared to the third period, because their greater size and the enhanced polarizability. Okay, the next will move towards the second application of second application. There is a solubility of the hydrogen bounded molecules, because the water it contain the hydrogen bonding, therefore it can dissolve the another things which having also the hydrogen bonding, just like ethyl alcohol. It will having the power to tendency, the power it also having the hydrogen bonding, therefore it can easily soluble inside the water. And next it is the example, and another example, that is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is also soluble in water because it also having the hydrogen bonding with the water, and here is the compulsion is that the carboxylic acid should be of smaller size, then they will soluble inside the water. And then last example, that is of hydrocarbons, because the hydrocarbons, they are non-polar, therefore they cannot dissolve with the polar compound like water. It has not the ability to dissolve or the soluble with the inside the water. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Next we will move towards the, in next lecture we will move towards the another application of the hydrogen bonding. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.